In the next minute, you will learn how to use ego-free communication to build real trust, whether in hiring, fundraising, or relationships. Trust doesn't just happen, it takes an explicit commitment. Here is how it works. Imagine you and I want to build trust with each other. Since we filled out this questionnaire, we already know what behaviors we want and don't want. So we commit to 3 things. First, ask. We give each other the right to ask for behaviors that follow the 4 trust principles. For example, if you feel that I'm not understanding your perspective, you can say, "Hey Slava, I need you to actively listen now," and then share whatever you need me to understand. Second, reward. When we successfully follow the trust principles, we reinforce it. If I paraphrase your perspective correctly and you feel understood, you can say, "Thank you, Slava, for actively listening." Third, correct. If either of us feels the other doesn't follow a specific trust principle, we speak up. And the other person acknowledges it with a simple, "I'm sorry." For example, you might say, "Slava, I feel you are denying your mistake." It doesn't matter if I agree or not, I simply say, "I'm sorry," because I don't want you to feel that way, and that's how we'll rebuild trust. That's it, 3 steps. Ask, reward, correct. Want to put this in action? Grab the 1-page cheat sheet or join our next ego-free communication networking event. Because when trust works, everything else works better.